Dell docking stations expand your laptop's connectivity. First, connect the dock to your laptop via USB-C or Thunderbolt. For wired peripherals, plug mouse and keyboard into USB-A ports. For wireless, pair via Bluetooth. Put devices in pairing mode and connect through settings. Dell docks like WD-19TB and WD-22TB support multiple peripherals. Ensure compatibility and plug USB connections firmly. If your mouse and keyboard aren't working, start by checking the power and connections. Ensure the dock is powered and all cables are securely connected. Update your Dell docks drivers using Dell command, update for optimal performance. For wireless devices, ensure Bluetooth is enabled and the devices are discoverable. Insufficient power can cause issues, so try using a powered USB hub if needed. If using older docks with newer laptops, ensure compatibility. If issues persist, check Device Manager for driver conflicts and update accordingly. For wireless connection issues, ensure batteries are not low and fully charged. Finally, ensure the device is turned on before pairing. Use troubleshooting guides to identify and resolve peripheral failures.